Hello, folks. It's the Earth Day, the Planet Day. What is it, some 50 years ago? Because of an oil spill, I think, if I could recall. The Earth Day was allocated just for the cleanup of those millions of gallons of oil spilled onto the Earth surface because of negligence, because of human greed, because of human behavior, because of our greed to extract, rape this planet more than what we need for the basis of what? Profit. Bulking up, making large corporate profits, individual profits, selfish attributes. Remember, folks, on this Earth Day, the Earth has resources, an abundance of food to fulfill every need of every life. That means from a virus, to a bacteria, to an insect, to a blade of grass, to a microbe, to an animal, to a human being, to the existence of life, can fulfill every need. It's surely, there's no other creature than human being is capable of greed, consume, extract, accumulate more than a human being could. When the God has given us the opportunity to be the ambassadors, the shepherds, the responsible beings on this planet to take care of this earth and its wholesome life, we were seen as a possibility as human species to do that job, do the job of the Creator. The greater possibility was given to us by the creation and the Creator to look after this. Yet, see, in the last 50 years, since we've dedicated a day of all 360 days, 65 days is it? Doesn't matter. We could dedicate every day to this planet, because if not for this planet, you simply don't have a life here. If not for the food that comes from this earth, the air that you breathe is the very substance, the very basis of your life. The very water is the very life of you being able to be here. But see around you, look around you. Look at some of the videos I've covered across the planet, whilst the others going on about propagating and doing shows and styles and imagery that seems more like futuristic artwork. We are not talking about artwork. We're not talking about nonsense, a show, an action movie. In every video I have done on my YouTube channel is to bring about my connection to this earth and relate the very nature of life that we all are. Yet, no one seems to have an inch, a sensitive nature to this very videos I make. They're all about targets. How can I do this? How can I go across here? How can I get on a plane and go to the other side of the world? And how How many questions should you ask? What should it be? Look at some of the videos that people are watching today. And then something goes wrong in the society. We blame, pointing the fingers at how things were. But nobody seems to understand what we have been fueled by our education. The Western civilization, the greed, I want this, I attitude has destroyed this planet. I don't have to go any further. I have a small box to put my head down. Most of the time I sleep on the floor. I have no pillows to sleep on. If I'm in a hotel, I sleep much of the time on the floor because the beds are so used up or soiled that it's more hygienic to sleep on the floor with the bed sheet on, or not even. Not that it bothers me, that this body is designed to be connected and be aligned and align with this existence in the planet. We don't need to allocate or dedicate just to one day out of 365 days, the rest of the time, for you to forget about how to be conscious and give back to the planet that you live upon. Why don't you become the planet on the day, every day that you are here on this planet? Rather than live off the planet, why don't you be the planet as our indigenous, as our ancestors did at the very beginning of human civilization? They lived as the planet. They didn't see the planet to use it as an intention for their own greedy aspirations and profits. They lived as the planet, their body, their mind, their thought. There was no thought because they were involved in their survival. Today you've given everything on a plate. It seems that you got all the right and the reasons for you to destroy this planet and carry on about propagating that your ideas about making a profit, making bucks out of everything you see is to be in your intention to be able to use is the intention that we have taken upon on this planet today. How can I make money? What can I do to make money? This intention and forgetting about the wholesome life that we all are. I hope on this day of Planet's Day that you wake up to realize some 71 years, folks. Look how much in the last 50 years we've accelerated the life killing machine of the machinery that we have introduced got bigger and bigger, and we're talking about mega multi-billion projects desecrating the planet, destroying the forests, destroying the rivers, oceans. How long have we got left at this accelerated, speedy destruction of our planet? And each day we talk about recovering our planet, doing a little bit better than how we found it, is a subject that everybody's been speaking about. I have been speaking about since I was a child, seeing and feeling the need to do something, the change which happened in me. I have shared thousands of videos. When I travel to some place, it's my 10th, maybe 4th, maybe 5th time across the planet. And I walk much of my time wherever I'm at a destination. One, good for health, good for the planet, good for your limbs. Since you're not farming anymore, the human body is designed to work, not to sit and play Candy Crush. Having said all of this, on this Earth Day, May your earth day be connected to you and you be connected to this earth.